1970, the charred body of a woman was found in a remote Norwegian valley. No ID, no witness, creating a mystery that would haunt Norway for over 50 years. When police found her suitcases, they discovered something chilling. The labels on every piece of clothing had been carefully removed. She didn't want to be found. She traveled with 8 fake identities, a collection of wigs, and a notebook filled with secret codes. She wasn't just a traveler, she was a ghost. Was she a Cold War spy? A high-stakes fugitive? Or something even more sinister? Despite DNA testing, the Isdal woman remains a nameless enigma.